Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Afterpay application on your iOS device. So let's jump in right into the video. Start off by open your App Store or your Play Store and go to the search box and type in Afterpay and search. Look for this application that says Afterpay Buy Now Pay Later. Afterpay is a buy now pay later payment service that allows consumers to make purchases and pay for them in installment payments. To download the application on your preferred device, go ahead and tap on the install or the get button to begin the download process, and you'll be able to get the application installed on your device in no time. So that's how you can easily download Afterpay application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.